Welcome to HighTech, your go-to channel for everything tech and coding. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Kali Linux using a VMDK format file in VirtualBox. If you're ready to set up your virtual hacking lab, let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's briefly talk about what Kali Linux and VirtualBox are. Kali Linux is a powerful open-source operating system designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. VirtualBox, on the other hand, is a free and open-source virtualization tool that allows you to run multiple operating systems on your computer simultaneously. Using Kali Linux in a virtual machine is a great way to practice and learn without affecting your main system. Today, we'll use a VMDK file, which is a pre-configured virtual machine disk format, to make the installation process even easier. How to install Kali Linux VMDK format file in VirtualBox? First, we need to download the necessary files. You'll need VirtualBox installed on your computer and the Kali Linux VMDK file. Once you have VirtualBox installed, open it up and let's get started with setting up our Kali Linux virtual machine. Step 1. Open VirtualBox and click New. Click on the New button to create a new virtual machine. Step 2. Fill this. Name Kali Linux. Type Linux. Version Debian 64-bit. Step 3. Assign memory size. Allocate memory RAM to the virtual machine. A good starting point is 2048 MB 2 GB, but you can allocate more if your system allows. Memory size 2048 MB. Step 4. Use an existing virtual hard disk file. Select Use an existing virtual hard disk file and click on the folder icon to browse and select the downloaded Kali Linux VMDK file. Click on Use an existing virtual hard disk file. Select the downloaded VMDK file. Step 5. Finish creating the virtual machine. Click Create to finish setting up the virtual machine. But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. Now let's configure some settings to ensure optimal performance. Step 6. Configuring virtual machine settings. Select your virtual machine and click Settings. Click Settings. System Settings. Go to the System tab, then Processor, and increase the number of processors to 2 or more if your system supports it. This will improve performance. Display Settings. In the Display tab, increase the video memory to at least 128 MB for better graphics performance. Network settings. Under the Network tab, ensure that Attached to is set to NAT for basic networking capabilities. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Step 7. Starting the virtual machine. With the settings configured, we're ready to start the virtual machine and boot into Kali Linux. Start the virtual machine. Highlight your Kali Linux VM and click Start. Initial boot and configuration. The virtual machine will now boot up. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any initial setup. Typically, this involves selecting a language, time zone, and setting up a default user. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Kali Linux on VirtualBox using a VMDK file. Now, let's explore a few basics to get you started. That's it for today's video on installing Kali Linux using a VMDK file in VirtualBox. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching HighTech and see you next time.